Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a quick Beauty Bay haul and then a tutorial and review on the new Beauty Bay palette, which is the new Mood palette. And so I just picked up a couple things to go along with the palette. So one of the things I picked up was the Revolution Pro Luster blusher in the shade White Rose. This is beautiful, beautiful, just a glowy blush. Then I also picked up this Beauty Bay powder bronzer in the shade Fawn, which I'm wearing today. And I am wearing did I say this is Beauty Bay, you guys? If I did, it's Revolution Pro. My mind is all over the place today. But here is that bronzer in the shade Fawn, which is really, really beautiful. Then I got the Beauty Bay Living My Best Light Highlight Palette. And I think it's just the shade Delicate. And it's got 4 highlighters right there. Which I saw someone post a video, I can't remember who it was, I watch way too many makeup videos, but the person was saying that none of the shades really showed up, and I'm pretty sure you can see mine pretty good. So these are all beautiful, beautiful pink tone shades, and again, here is what that looked like. I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see everything because with the lights it makes it kind of hard. And then for free I got a Beauty Bay plumping gloss. It's in the shade Fizz. And I'm actually wearing it on my lips today. I just put like a, I think it was just a Milani lip liner, filled in my lips, and then put this gloss on top. It's beautiful. I really like it. I wish they had more shades in it, but they only have this shade, which is like a nude shade. And then I think like a clear shade. And then the main event here is the Beauty Bay New Mood palette. And here is what the inside looks like. I just love all these colorful Beauty Bay palettes. I can't get enough. And I'm really, really excited to try this out. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a greenish look on one eye, maybe blue on the other, because there are just some shades in here that I have to use. So, big news. I got my dress yesterday. Well, let me rephrase that. I tried on a dress that is like the one that I want to get, but they didn't have it in the color that I wanted because I'm not going to have a white dress because that's just not me. And so I tried it on. I sent pictures to my BFF and my niece. Sorry, my voice is like going out for some reason. And my mom was there with me, and my mom started crying when she saw me in the dress. And I was like, okay, this is the one. There are going to be some things I'm going to have to alter because there are some certain things that I want that the dress didn't have. But I'm hoping like it will all come together, everything will work out okay, and yeah, I feel better like just knowing that like I at least have that done, and my fiance and I have been working really hard to try and get decorations and stuff together. So it's slowly coming together. Like the wedding is in just about 2 months, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will work out, and yeah, we will get to have our wedding and everything will be good. So I'm going to start with, I wish there was a deeper green shade in this palette, but there's not, so I don't really know. Let's just go in with the shade Blessed, which is the shade down here, and I think I just might do the same transition shade for both eyes. And then just the main part will be like the green and the blue. And not that I don't have a bunch of other palettes in front of me that I could easily pick like a deeper green shade from, but I just really want to make a point to use this palette for the whole look, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so I'm just really excited. I have my dress, or it was ordered, and then we'll have to do alterations and stuff, but everything should be okay on that front. And so we are working on invitations, going to hopefully get those out within like the next week, which I think today is August 13th. So yeah, hopefully by next weekend those should go out. So it'll be going out just about 2 months before the wedding, and then I think we will just have to get a place to rent tables and chairs, because we're going to do everything at my brother's house, outdoors. And my sister-in-law said that she wanted to like make us like a cake and dessert, so I'm just like so excited because she's amazing. She's just the most amazing cook and just an amazing person as well, and so I'm just really excited about that, because I know like what she's gonna make is gonna be so cute and just beautiful, and it's gonna be just awesome and just help pull everything together theme wise. So I'm just really excited about that too, because that's like another thing we don't have to worry about. So we are slowly but surely getting there, and my mom got her dress yesterday as well, so I'm just really excited about that. So now it's just getting bridesmaids and best girl dress, and then the guys getting their suits, and it's like things are slowly coming together. And I had to get my fiance a ring, which we don't even know what ring size he is, so we need to figure that out so I can get the ring. But other than that, things are like, it's coming together. I wasn't sure that it would happen. Still a little, well, very stressed about some things, but it's working out. Like, I just need to calm down, just take some deep breaths. And also I've had a couple people message me on Instagram and just reach out and just have been incredibly amazing and awesome. So if you're one of those people who kind of like told me your wedding story, or were like, you know, don't worry like about all the other stuff, don't sweat the small stuff, because I've had a couple of people do that. Just thank you so much. Know that that means so much to me, and that's definitely what I need. Like, I just need somebody to remind me, like, just breathe, calm down, everything will be okay. Because it will be, and that I'm worrying way too much, because that's just kind of one of the things that I do. So I'm trying really hard to be better about that, and not totally freaking out about something that's not a big deal. So I'm going to go in with this shade Energetic right here. But yeah, I'm like, I don't know, I'm just trying to remain calm and not freak out too much. And I mean, I'm slowly starting to get excited too, like now that things are coming together, like we're getting to finally look at like decorations and stuff and do the invitations. It's like just all those things that you do with weddings that, I don't know, we are really busy and we have a lot going on, so we haven't been able to spend as much time on all that stuff as, you know, I would normally like for us to, but we're getting it done. It's all good. Okay, so next I want to go in with, I'm kind of torn because this shade Euphoric looks like it has like a green shift. It looks a lot more green on camera. Like in person it looks kind of more brown tinted. But then also there's the shade Creative right here. Maybe I want to try and get better about swatching some shades for you guys. So I'm always like, I don't know where to put them on my hand so you can see them, because I feel like when I try to hold it up, things don't really work out like I think they're going to. Okay. So, yeah. So this is the shade Creative right here. And then this is the shade Euphoric. I don't know, it's just hard because the lights are so bright to try and show you guys what things really look like. But I think I am going to have to go in with the shade Creative because I don't know that Euphoric is green enough, and I really wanted to get like the green and blue eye look going. So I'm going to go in with the shade Creative and let's see how this works out. So today's like grocery day. So Walmart texted and said that the order was running late, and then they like all of a sudden texted me and were like, oh, it's ready, which means like I'm running late because I thought I had a little more time, which, surprise, I don't. I don't know, I just feel like weekends are so crazy because there's just so much that we don't get to do during the week. Oh, and also our washer went out on us, so I had to get one of those yesterday, so it was just a lot of running for me, and I actually took the day off. But I don't know, it's like my days off are not... Okay, so my camera battery was dying on me, of course, but while my fiance was changing it, he recently did a music video for a band called Oakwood Grove, and he just said that like the video was posted on some site and it's been up for like less than an hour, and it's got like over 800 views, so that is crazy. And I will link that video down below if you guys want to check it out. He does really good work. And I don't know, I love the way the video came out, and he worked really hard on it, so if you guys, you know, want to check it out, because that'd mean a lot to me and to him as well. And so now I gotta get back to this look because we gotta go get groceries and everything else. It's like never ending. So, oh sorry, this is the shade Confident, which is right here. I kind of wish I would have done the blue on this eye, because for whatever reason on this eye, I just have trouble with like stuff building up. It's not the shadow. It's just, I don't know, my eye just, it's harder for me to get things built up on my left eye for whatever reason. Like I will build and build and build, and I sometimes will still end up with just like a patchy spot. And again, like it's not the shadow at all, it's my eye. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's just one of those things that actually kind of drives me crazy. But actually this isn't looking too bad, so I'm kind of impressed right now at how good that's looking. Okay. Now I am going to go in with the shade Inspired, which is like just the most beautiful purple blue shade. And it's got lots of that sparkle in it. So I am really excited. Oh wow. So pretty. Oh, I love this shade. This might be the most beautiful eyeshadow I've ever seen in my life. Like, oh my goodness, this shade is everything right now. Like I can't even. Here, I'm gonna have to swatch this. Hopefully you guys can see it, because can you see that? Just the shift in that color. Ooh, Beauty Bay. You are amazing. Thank you for this shade. This is what I needed. Okay, so having Fallout City under here, so I'm gonna have a lot to clean up, so that's gonna be a mess, and I totally need to get moving. But what's new? Story of my life. Okay, so now for, what do I want to do for my lower lash line? I guess I can do, I don't know, this might not be a good idea. So this is the shade Joyful, which is bright yellow. And we're going to put this under the green eye, which is actually really, really pretty. Okay. And for my lower inner corner, I am going to use the shade Euphoric. Which goes perfect with the yellow, by the way. Okay. And then for the other eye, if I can figure out what I did with the brush I just had in my hand. Here it is. Okay, so now for the other eye on the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna do the shade Focused, which is right here. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Serene, which is this shade right here. Which has like a really cool shift to it as well. Alright, I want to go in and just kind of blend. There's not really anything on this brush, but I just want to blend everything together like I always do at the end. Okay, I'm gonna go clean up the fallout, put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and here is the finished look. I don't know, I love this look. And again, this is the Beauty Bay New Mood palette. Cannot get my words out today. And here is what the inside looks like. I definitely have to say the shade Inspired right here is my favorite. It is just the most beautiful blue, purple, shimmery, just amazing, amazing shade. I just cannot get enough of that. So everything performed well, just typical Beauty Bay formula. I would say I would definitely pick this up. I think it was like $18 maybe. Don't quote me on that, because the thing with Beauty Bay is since I live in the US, their shipping does take weeks, so by the time I order something, it's taken so long I kind of don't really remember what the price was on it, but it's definitely affordable, beautiful palette. I love it. I would check it out. I'm going to do my best to get this video up as quickly as possible since it is a newer palette, and I might film another look with this palette tomorrow and try and get that up quick as well, because I love the shades and I definitely want to play with it some more. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.